after the presentation of the play. Yeah? Okay, okay, we will announce the winner. The winner, music please. The winner for the Best Employee Award for Promenade Hotel 2008 goes to... It's the drum. I'm waiting for the drum. Not the music, the drum. Okay, we will announce the winner. The winner is Mr. Jocelyn Renata.
Yes. All right. Jocelyn Renata joined Promenade Hotel 2nd of December 1999 as a security guard. As a promoted as senior security guard in 1st of July 2007, hardworking person, reliable and responsible person, right? Takes initiative to improve his skills. He is our DGQ for tonight. Is your colleague? What do you say?
It's one of my best.
All right.
The next will be Mr. Jeffy Marabus.
Jeffy Marabus. Jeffy Marabus joined 2nd of January 2003 in the housekeeping department as a houseman. Can we give a big hand for these 5 people here with us?